Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be sharing with you my spring refresh for my coffee bar. And for my coffee bar, I'm going to be transitioning from where I'm at in my kitchen, which is where I have this cute little bunny wreath that's a DIY. I can leave the video of how I made that in the description bar below. And here is my coffee bar. It's sort of built in on the other side of the wall by my fridge. I absolutely love it. It is a little dark, so I tried to brighten it up by refreshing it for seasons and holidays. And guys, I'm going in with some really bright, whimsical decor. I love this light, bright greenery. It's in a nice sort of lighter wood, and I think it's perfect. Next to that, I have a sisal bunny. I think it's so cute with a little pink bow around its neck. And then I have this embossed egg. It's so pretty and it's so cute. It's on top of a little pedestal, but I love how it brings in that really pretty pink color, and it's embossed and it's so springy and cute. I absolutely love the way it looks. And then on the other side of that, I have a topiary that I actually made. It's another DIY. And yes, this actual coffee bar will be full of DIYs. And I did this recently. I think it's so cute. It's an egg topiary using just materials from the Dollar Tree. And I love the way the top shelf looks. And for my second shelf, I do have some coffee pods there for my Nespresso machine. And I used that container to actually have like overflow for my tray. I also have one of those sisal bunnies and this art, which is an initial for our names, guys. And it's just a DIY that I actually made also. And I absolutely love the way it looks. And in between those two, I have the cutest little ballerina bunny. I absolutely love her little dress, how she has that pink velvet with the pearls and the cute little skirt she has. And I think she's just adorable, and I absolutely love the way she looks. And that's what I have for my second shelf. Now my bottom shelf, as you can see, I have my Nespresso machine, another drip coffee maker, and then accessories that I use to make all of my coffees. I love this Cuisinart for when I need a full pot, people are visiting, or we just want to have more than one cup. And then I have a tray under my Nespresso machine, which I absolutely love too. I could just pull out and I can see my pods or what I want to use. Then I also have some espresso cups. My husband drinks espresso, and a little bit of decor, which I'm going to switch out actually for my final look. But then just my accessories like my little demi-tasse spoons for stirring my coffee scoops. And I love when I refresh my coffee bar to add treats for my hubby. Because Easter's coming, I just added in some jelly beans. So I do hope you like the way everything turned out. I did go in for a final look and I added in some moss. And it actually lays a little bit flatter in the back for making coffee, as you can see there. So this is actually my final look. I put one top shelf and one on the bottom shelf and switched it out with that little egg wreath that you saw earlier. So I just love the way it turned out. I think it's really cute. It's really bright and definitely refresh and brighten up this area, because as you can see, this lounge has a really dark background. So I hope you like the way it looks and how it turned out. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out so much. And hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing. I would love for you to be a part of the family. I love you guys. Hope to see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.